How to build an AI lead generation chatbot powered by GPT-4o model, which is released recently. So this particular AI chatbot can actually works on all the supported channels such as Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, SMS, Google Business Messages, and other channels you see right here. So let's get started. In this demo, I'm going to create an AI chatbot for a specific fitness gym called as Texas Fitness Hub, and also the lead generation capabilities will be pushing customers to sign up for the fitness newsletter. From there we actually going to collect their name and phone number. So that's a basic idea over here. So this particular AI chatbot can answer any sort of questions about this particular business Texas Fitness Hub, and also push customers to sign up for the newsletter, fitness newsletter as well. So let's get started over here. So here I am in the analytics section. Head over to settings right here. In settings, go to integrations and make sure you have your OpenAI ChatGPT API keys connected. So if you don't know how to connect these API keys, click on this help center right here. It will take you to all the helpful guides, and if you go to integrations, OpenAI ChatGPT, here you will see the link. So if you click on this link, it will take you directly to the place where you can grab your API keys from your own OpenAI account. So once that is done, here you have to add your prompts. So by default you will see this one over here, your helpful assistant, and here you have the option to choose your model as well. So by default you will see GPT 3.5 Turbo 16K. So if you want to use GPT-4 or model, then simply choose that one, and here you have to add your prompt. So this is the place where you can actually add all the business information such as what services provided, any sort of frequently asked questions, how to contact us, and the pricing details, everything you can include. So here let me simply add this information right here, which says you are a helpful assistant, and along with some details about the contact information as well. So let me paste that information right here. So it says you are a helpful assistant to Texas Fitness Hub. So let me say respond to customers question in just 1 to 2 sentences. So let me add a prompt like this as well. And also, as I mentioned, I want to collect the customer's name and phone number as well for the fitness goal and newsletter tips, some of that. So here what you can do here is that the customers can sign up for the newsletter by providing their name and email, which enables them to get fitness newsletter tips on a daily basis, and also they can also get special perks and discounts during special holiday sales. So let me add this prompt as well. The customers can sign up for the newsletter. So let me fix this one. For the newsletter by providing their name and it should be phone number actually. Let's do phone number, which enables them to get fitness newsletter tips on a daily basis, and also they can also get special perks and discount during the special holiday sales. So here let me cut this one and let's place this one right here after the introduction. Alright, so we have added this sort of prompts as well where it says about the fitness newsletter. So here we have to, so if you want to enable lead generation capabilities for the chatbot, then you will have to use the AI triggers as well. So AI triggers helps you to connect AI to your automation and also collect data and trigger specific kind of automation. So here in this case we are going to collect the customer's name and phone number. So let's create one AI trigger. So click on manage over here and let me open AI trigger and add AI trigger. So let me say fitness newsletter. So let me say allows customers to sign up for the fitness newsletter, and here what details you want to collect. So I want to collect the name and save it as the full name, and also I want to collect their phone number too and save in the phone field as well. And once this particular data is collected, you can send any sort of confirmation message to the customer as well. So let's say you are all set, simple as that. And in this case I'm not going to trigger any sort of flows. I can keep as none over here and click continue. So now let me go back to the integration section right here. So now again I'm in the integrations, OpenAI ChatGPT. I have to activate the AI trigger which I have just created. So it should be fitness newsletter here. Activate this one. So this ensures that it simply prompts the customers to ask for their name and phone number to sign up for the fitness newsletters. So we have just activated this AI trigger as well. Let me click continue. So now we're actually almost done with creating this AI chatbot powered by GPT-4o model. So one more step left. Make sure you activate these automated responses right here. If you want to use this particular business information or prompt to handle your responses. So let me click save right here. So now we can actually quickly test this actually how this actually works. So this can actually works on any of these channels as you see here, including the SMS, web chat as well. So here I want to test this on the Instagram channel for now. So let's go to my phone screen right here and send a message to Chatting Media page right here. So let me simply send the message hi right here, hi, and see what happens. So it should actually send us a response. It says, hello, welcome to TechStars Fitness Hub. How can I assist you today? So let me ask some sort of questions over here. Do you have a trial period? So here, according to the frequently asked questions over here, they actually offer 1 week free trial for all new members. So it says, yes, we do. We offer 1 week free trial for all new members. This allows you to experience our gym and all its amenities before committing to a membership. Would you like more information on how to get started with your free trial? It simply asks a question as well. So let me ask this question. Do you have any discounts right here? So let me ask this question. Do you have any discounts, and see what happens over here. Yes, we offer special discounts during the holiday sales. Additionally, if you sign up for our fitness newsletter, you can receive exclusive discounts and tips. Would you like to sign up for the fitness newsletter? If so, please provide your name and phone number. Simple as that. So let me simply say, my name is John. So I'm just sending my name only and see what happens over here. Great, John. Could you please provide your phone number so I can sign up for the fitness newsletter and ensure you receive those exclusive discounts and tips? Sure. And let me provide the phone number like this. So let me just provide a 10-digit number right here. All right, a 10-digit number, and let's see what happens. So it should actually sign them for the fitness newsletter and also add those details to their profile as well. It says, you are all set, John. You have been signed up for the fitness newsletter, and keep an eye for the exclusive discounts and fitness tips coming your way. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. So here, if we go to the Omni channel right here, Omni channel inbox. So go to the Omni channel inbox here. You can see the chat from the Instagram, and the name I provided over here, John, and the phone number is already added to the customer's profile as you see here. And all the chats happened over there is already recorded as well. So that's a quick simple demo of how you can actually create ALG generation chatbots powered by GPT-4o model. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.